So you are willing to work with the WhatsApp web directly in a very easy way to your computer. So stop staring at your tiny phone screen and destroy your thumbs just to answer your daily group chat and client messages. So the step one to focus into the connection handshake is to open your computer, open any web browser, and head straight directly into web.whatsapp.com. Or you can go into Google and type WhatsApp web, and it will be telling you, it will be sending you directly into the web.whatsapp.com. Inside here, you can now grab your phone, open the actual WhatsApp, and tap into the settings into the bottom right corner, or tap the third vertical dot into the top right if you are on an Android device. So click into a linked device and then tap into the blue button that says a link in device. You can find this directly inside here. So, or what you can do is just to scan this specific QR code so you can make the actual quick connection between yourself, your phone, and the actual WhatsApp. The next thing you can do, or if you don't want to scan this element, is to choose the element that says logged in with your phone number. Inside here, we'll be telling you to enter the phone number, select the country, and enter your phone number. So in this case, I choose my country and I input my actual element. Then you go for next. It will be sending you an actual verification code, and you will be actually sending good. If you want to make this process much more faster into the future, and if you want to use the actual WhatsApp for the future into the Windows every single time, I strongly recommend you to download the actual application of WhatsApp so we don't have to focus directly into making this on and on. That's the reason why you can just click directly into WhatsApp, and the next time you sign in, everything will be just straight directly appearing inside there, and you don't need to focus directly into sign in once again. So in older versions of WhatsApp, if your phone ran out of battery, your desktop application will instantly disconnect and freeze. Now on the devices linked, it establishes an independent end-to-end encrypted connection straight to WhatsApp, secure the servers, and the phone can completely dead at the bottom of the lake. So on an airplane across the world, and your computer will send and receive messages flawlessly. So the coolest new feature inside the new section of this WhatsApp application or the website is that you can look directly into the left-hand menu panel right next to your chat list. You will see a small glowing blue ring icon. You can click directly to open the personal AI workspace sidebar. Or you can just send the actual feedback if you don't find that information. You can make stuff like call, check out statuses, review channels, or check out the actual communities. To even start your own community directly inside there. You can go for the archived elements and check out all the chats. Something else you can do is to click directly into the chat to check out all the actual media that you've sent so far, all the documents and all the links that they have been let's say sending to you, so you can just click directly inside there and check that out directly inside there. So you can always select all of those elements and delete them if you don't want to be working on with them. Now, an actual pro keyword that you can be working on is to start a new chat, which is the Ctrl-Alt new to start with an actual new chat, or just go directly into the element that says chat. If you want to see more great settings about your stuff, you can go directly into where it says you, and you can focus directly into the general, the profile, account, the privacy, chats, media, voice notification, keywords, shortcuts, and help and feedback. Usually what I do is to focus a little bit more into the keyword shortcuts to learn a little bit more about how to mark as unread an actual chat, to archive a chat, to search to new chat, or to even just focus into the settings to make this process really fast, or check out the actual GIF panel just in case I want to be working on in a very easy way. So this is like the most fastest, easiest way to be focusing on directly into your new WhatsApp web or the WhatsApp application into your PC or into your Mac. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully with all this being said, I can all see you all guys next time.